Welcome to TDS Online Math. Alright, let's see how we can solve this question. Okay, so this question has gone viral with a lot of comments coming out. Okay, so I'm going to provide a solution to this problem. Alright, so you can pause the video and give it a try. Alright, now we are given square root of 3 raised to x squared equals to x to the power 7 solution. Now, before we get started, let's understand that square root of a is the same as a exponent half. Okay, so let's remove the square root by writing the left hand side as 3 raised to x squared times half. Remember the rule here. Okay, equals to x to the power 7. Okay, let's observe this. Now, x squared times half is the same as 3 raised to x squared on 2 equals to x to the power 7. Now, the next thing is to bring the powers down, and we have no option but to take log on both sides. So let's introduce the natural log. So I'll take ln on both sides. So this side will be ln of 3 raised to x squared on 2 equals to ln of x raised to 7. Now, when we have ln of, let's say, b raised to x, so the x here is the power rule, that will be x ln of b. So this one will come down, that will be x squared on 2 ln, so ln of 3 equals to, so the other side, this 7 also come down, 7 ln of x. That's very simple. All right, now this 2 here is making the question complicated, so let's remove these 2. So what I will do here is to multiply both sides by 2. Okay, so times 2. So let me write that next step. So we have 2 times x squared on 2 ln of 3 equals to 2 times 7 ln of x. So this will cancel this. I will leave it x squared ln of 3 equals to 14 ln of x. Alright, now the next thing here is to group the ln of x and the x squared on one side, okay, and then ln of 3 and then the 14 on one side. So I will divide both sides by x squared times 14, and I'll do same here. So x squared times 14. So this will cancel and this will cancel. Now let me write this one on my left, ln of x on x squared, and we have ln of 3 on 14. Okay, now before we can continue, we have no option but to introduce Lambert W function. So I have a video on Lambert W function, so you can check it out. Okay, now when we have W function of, let's say, m e raised to m, the answer is M. Okay. Now, when you have W function of box, okay, times E raised to box, the answer becomes box. As simple as that. So we have to introduce the E here. And before that, anytime you have E exponent ln of something, is that thing. E raised ln of x is still x. Okay, so before we can continue, we have to support the denominator here, that is x squared. So let me write this one again. Okay, before I support this, let me write this one in a linear form. Now, since 1 over a is the same as a to the power minus 1, I can say ln of x times x to the power minus 2 equals to ln of 3 on 14. Okay, so we are going to support this x raised negative 2. So remember the rule. So ln of x, I'll write this one as e raised ln. So anytime you see this, whatever comes remains as it is. So x raised to minus 2. So in going back, e raised to ln of box is this box. So we can still retrieve this one. Okay. Equals to ln of 3 on 14. So the next thing here is to check this one is power. So remember the rule. When you have e raised ln of x to the power p is the same as e raised to p ln of x. So it's a power rule. Okay. So we have similar one here. Ln of x e. So we have minus 2 ln of x. Simple as that. Equals to ln of 3 on 14. Okay, remember before we can take the Lambert W function. So when you have box, we raised box. So what is here and what is here must be equal. Let's check this. So we have minus 2 ln of x and we have ln of x. It means something is missing here. So what we are going to do is to make this side minus 2. Okay. So I'll multiply both sides by minus 2 in order to balance this. That will pave way for the Lambert W function. So my next step will be minus 2 ln of x e raised to minus 2 ln of x equals to, so this side will be minus 2 times ln of 3 on 14. So let me repeat it here. Raised minus 2 ln of x equals to, now we can do cancellation, 2 here, 7. So that will be minus ln of 3 on 7. ln of 3 on 7. Okay, now that we have this and that being equal, we can proceed with the Lambert W function. So we have W function of minus 2 ln of x mistake here, e raised to minus 2 ln of x equals to minus over that. Okay, so we have W function of this. So if taking Lambert W function here, remember the rule, this one equals that. So therefore The answer will be minus 2 ln of x. Okay, now let's adjust the right hand side. So we can write this one as minus 1 times. So we can say 1 over 7 times ln of 3. Okay, so minus 2 ln of x equals to w function. So we can make this side 1 over 7 times minus 1 ln of 3. So minus 2 ln of x. So this negative come here, that will be 1 over 7 ln of t to the power minus 1. So we have minus 2 ln of x equals to w function. So 1 over 7 ln of 1 over 3. Okay. So it's 1 over 7, not 1 over 2. Okay. So from here, since we are after x, we can, divide both sides by minus 2. So that will be ln of x equals to w function of this 1 over 3 on minus 2. Okay. So remember, to get rid of ln, you have to raise, this side with e. So e raised ln of this box. So to solve for x, I have to raise this side with e. So my next step will be e raised to ln of x, e. So this minus w function. So we can write this one as ln of 1 over 3 all raised to 1 over 7 if you want to move it that way on 2. So this side will go, I've left x equals to e. So w function ln of 1 over 3 raised to 1 on 7 on 2. So that's the answer. So thanks for watching. All right.